How to change friend's name on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily change name of your friends on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat. Now, once you Snapchat, you just want to head over to your chat section and select your friend or choose the friend where you want to change your name. So all you have to do here is tap on the chat and then tap on their profile. As you can see here, if you want to edit the name, if you tap on the three lines at the top, you won't see any option to change name. You only have an option to manage your friendship. And then right inside the manage friendship option, you can edit the display name. Tap on it. And from here, you could easily change your display name from here. So go ahead and change it to whatever you want and then tap on save. And as you can see here, the name has successfully been changed. Now, if you don't want to go all the way inside there, you can simply tap on their name like this and then change it like this. Now tap on save and the name has been changed. And it's as easy as that. That's how you change name on Snapchat. If this was helpful to you, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.